Are you over 40 and thinking it's too late to start an online business because you lack tech skills? Think again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch an online business with zero tech experience, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll realize that age and tech know-how are no barriers to success. Let's get into this tutorial. Tip 1. Start with what you know. The best online businesses are built around knowledge you already have. Whether it's a hobby, a past career, or a passion, your existing expertise can be turned into a profitable business. You don't need tech skills to share your knowledge. Instead of learning complex tools, focus on creating simple content that teaches others what you know. Platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or even a basic blog can help you get started sharing your insights with minimal tech required. Tip 2. Leverage easy-to-use platforms. In today's world, there are countless beginner-friendly tools that make starting an online business easier than ever. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace allow you to create websites without coding skills. They have drag-and-drop features, making it possible to build a professional site in hours. For selling digital products or services, you can use platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. They handle everything from hosting your content to processing payments, so you can focus on delivering value, not on the tech setup. Tip 3. Outsource what you can't do. You don't need to be a tech expert to run a successful online business. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to hire experts for tasks you find challenging, whether it's graphic design, website setup, or social media management. By outsourcing, you save time and avoid frustration. Focus on what you do best, creating content and building your business, and let others handle the tech-heavy lifting. Tip 4. Keep learning and adapting. The online business world is constantly evolving, but that doesn't mean you need to become a tech guru. Start by learning the basics, then build on your knowledge as your business grows. You'll be surprised at how much you pick up along the way. There are plenty of free and affordable resources out there to help you improve your skills. You don't have to master everything overnight, just stay curious, keep adapting, and you'll be able to succeed. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website, www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you're subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed, and don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It is always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.